Right, so we are doing the chapter 3 expansion using special product. Okay, so you are either listening to this if you do not have this answer, but if you have already got this answer, then you want to move on to BCD, or if finish already, go on to the next one. If finish already, go on to the next one. If not, then you take out 4B, then you can start do your homework. Okay? But some of you not sure, then we want to go through together. So can we start? Tell me, do you agree that 2A? Some of you are listening because you are not sure. If I expand the yellow part, I should get something like this. Tell me, do you agree? Or totally don't agree? Tell me, do you agree that if I expand the yellow part, I will get this yellow thing. Do you know what I'm writing? Or don't know, like no idea? Why is it bracket square plus 2 bracket bracket? Do you understand? Not really. So not really means you are not familiar with the pattern of special product. So can I write down the special product for you? So tell me, can you tell me the special product? What happens when I have A plus B squared? What happens? What do I have? A square plus 2AB plus B squared. Are you familiar with this? If you ask me, teacher, how do I get this? My answer is on the first page where we talk about the expansion. Orlando did it slowly. Bracket A plus C expand slowly. I get A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. But I don't want to go through the slow method every time. That's why I say this is a special formula. Do you still remember? Now, if I copy the special formula, special product, and then now I put in the yellow thing. So now I have 3E plus 7F squared. Tell me again. Do you notice that now A suddenly changed become 3E? Now B change become 7F. I have a bracket, I have a square, I have a plus, everything else is the same. Do you agree? So now instead of A, what should I write? 3E squared. But I don't write 3E squared like that. I need to put a bracket. Instead of A, I will put 3E. Instead of B, I will put 7F. Instead of B, I will put 7F squared. I will put the bracket. Do you understand this part? And that is why when I ask you, tell me, when I have the yellow thing, I expand, it becomes this format. Now you understand why this format. Now can you tell me what to put in the first bracket? 3E. So now, those of you who are confused and very uncomfortable, now you know you can put in the 3E. I have two brackets. I can also put in 3E and 7F. And what is the minus 9F squared doing behind? Oh, it is a 9F squared like that, right? So from here, I want to do the expand. Expand means 3E squared. When I expand, what do I get? Isabel, you want to try? 3E squared. I expand, what do I get? Is it 3E squared or is it 9E squared? 9E squared. So then, the answer here is 9E squared plus, I have 2, I have 3E, I have 7F. So what do I do? Felicia, what will you do? 2 times 3 times 7. Alright, why? Because number times number, why not? So 2 times 3 times 7. Press calculator, what do you get? 42. So you have 42 EF. So it's not sorcery, it's not dark magic, it's just like you want to really slowly do step by step and then you get the answer. Yeah, just plus minus the answer already. So looking at this, there is only two things you can combine. And what are the two things? Ashin, what are the two things you can combine? The f square, right? 49f square minus 9f square. And therefore, your answer is just this. Okay, you ask me, is it difficult? My answer is no. Is it troublesome? A little bit. But if you get used to it, actually quite okay. Do you buy in? Do you believe? Okay? Tell me, feeling better? Still thinking. Orlando, feeling better? Yeah. Who is still not feeling very good about this? Then I do the next question with you. All done. Okay. Now, if all done, then what I want to do is, I want to ask you, B, can you tell me your answer? Morgan, what's your answer? 35, 25. 25m square. I start by telling everyone this is a question mark, I'm not sure. And Jolie, I want you to help us. What is the first thing you do? Jolie? What is the first thing you do? Equal to what? B. What is the first thing you do? Expand what? You don't know. The answer is expand this. Do you know why? Because you have got square, you want to expand it. Do step by step. It's a bit long, but okay one. Can we do it together, the step by step? Okay. I have this square. So the rest are doing your own questions and not talking. Do your own questions. Like, even the homework question is okay. So Jolie, what's the first step? What happens when I expand the first one? Is this a special product? Yes. Why? Because it's something minus something square. Apple minus orange square. Can you follow? So when I apple minus orange square, I open now, expand is a special product. So can you tell me what's a special product? Very good. Jolie is referring to the first page. I have something square. Don't know. If you cannot remember anything, my suggestion is go back and memorize these three formulas. Either it fall under pattern 1, pattern 2, or pattern 3. Jolie can follow? Can you tell me the blue color thing fall under pattern 1, 2, or 3? 2. So 2 means I will have something squared and what? Minus what? 2 what? The rest of you are doing your own stuff. You're not listening to this because you're already done and you understand. But some don't understand, then you listen. Some understand, you just move forward. Don't wait. So Jolie, can you tell me minus 2 what? Very good. You just write down the 2 bracket first. Then plus what? Bracket square. Very good. Don't worry so much what is in the bracket first. So you want to really just okay. Slow, steady, but get correct. Now next one, you see that there is this green thing, right? There is 2 brackets. Is this part of the formula? Jolie, this one look like number 1, 2, or 3? 不知道. 3. Why? Because this one got apple plus orange, apple minus orange. So what's the answer? What happens when apple plus orange, apple minus orange? What is the answer? It's okay. You do the normal method, you still get the answer. But it's slow. So Jolie, can you tell me what happens when apple plus orange, apple minus orange? It will be apple square, sum square minus sum square. Do you understand this part? Because this is the formula 3, the pattern 3. Now let's put in everything into the bracket. Jolie, can you tell me what is the first one? 5m. Let's check. From the blue thing, correct. This is 5m. What about the second two bracket, you will put what? 5n and 4n. Very good. Third one, what do you put the bracket? The b square, huh? Very good. What about the green bracket? I have something square minus something square. What do you put in the first one? Again, you put in the apple. Now the apple is what? 10. Because it is apple plus orange, apple minus orange, right? The answer is apple square minus orange square. So what's the apple now? 10 m, right? Oh, this is 10 m. What about the second one? 4 n. Do you see it's 4 n? Do you understand why 4 n? 真的明白啊? You really understand ah? It's a formula, right? A plus B, A minus B, right? Answer is A square minus B square, right? So now I can zoom in already. I don't need a question already. So let's try. 5m square, what's the answer? Jolie very sian already. Sean, can you read out the answer? What is 5m square? 25m square. What is negative 2 times 5 times 4? What do you get? Look at it working. Negative 40m. Next one, what is 4n square? Plus 16. Oh, there's an mn. Right, Sean? Okay. Then what is 10m square? What do you get? 100m square. What is minus 4m square? Okay, good. Now, if I were you, I will take out a pencil, I will box out the terms. You see, slow and steady. You are 1 minute slower than the rest, but at least you get all the answers correct. Once you box up, it's easy to visualize. Group the same thing together. M square. Any other m square? 100, right? So m, 25m, 100m. So what do you write? 125 m square. Mn, is there anything? No, alone. Minus 40 mn. Plus 16 minus 16? 0. Then that's the answer. Those of you who got the second and third one just now earlier, you want to see where is the mistake. Then you tell yourself, don't make that mistake. Alright, if I were you, I will not correction tape. I will just circle the thing in red and then let yourself see. Is that okay? Find a mistake? Find a mistake, huh? Find a mistake? Find a mistake. Okay, so B is done. Let's go on to C. Can I move the screen away? Can I? Right, C, next one, Arifa. Can you tell me your answer for C? Loud and clear. 16, 1, 6. Oh. 6, 0. Okay, 6, 0, G square. Minus 4G, H. Plus H square. Hey, no need to because this is a starting. Bound to have some different answer is okay. But more important, the quiz one okay can already. Agida, what's your answer? I'm calling the person out. Louder, louder, please. I need to read your lips. So louder. Haven't do yet. Do now, do now. Next one, tell us the answer, Ashraf. Wow, so soon. You really want to say the answer. What's the answer? 4G square. But minus 4GH. Plus H square. Anyone else got a different answer? Ridwan, what's your answer? 4G square. Plus 4GH. Minus H square. Right, so the question is, which one is correct? Now let's start and investigate. Can I check who got the first answer? 1. Who got the second answer? Many. Who got the third answer? Some. Alright, so if your answer is second and third, you want to look out. So the first one also want to look out. What exactly is different? Let's start. C. Let's have Ridwan help us. When I look at C, I'm comparing this bracket here. Definitely I need to solve the bracket. Thank you, Auntie. There's something that is strange here, and there's a trick here. The difficult thing is actually the minus in front. Follow? So I don't want to touch the minus, I just want to expand. This minus remains as minus. You understand? So I will have something like 8g squared minus, and then what is inside? You notice that the bracket now I upgrade to square bracket, but I do the inside first. So Ridwan, can you tell me this pink color thing follow pattern 1, pattern 2, or pattern 3? Pink color 2g minus h follow pattern 1, 2, or 3? 2. Good. 2 means I can list out a series of brackets. So can you tell me I start with what? Bracket. Do you agree it's bracket square first? Okay, then after that minus or plus? Minus 2 bracket plus bracket square. Very good. Now I want to put in the 2g or h. First one is what? 2g. Second one 2g. Third one h. Fourth one h. Now I can zoom in already. I don't care about the question already. Now maybe I don't settle the minus first, but now I settle whatever is inside. Everyone can follow? Some of you get second or third answer, so you want to know which one is the correct one. We don't try. What is 2g squared? 4g squared. So I write big. 4g squared. What about the second one? Minus 2 times 2 times 1. Irvin, keep your things. Phones in the back. Earphone in the back. Everything in the back. Phones in the back. Yes, we done. Minus 4gh. Third one. Plus h squared. Somebody say, look different, and mine is minus h squared. Because the minus now, open up the bracket, will multiply by everything. So then, this minus will now do the show. So, minus times 4, minus 4g. Minus times minus, plus 4gh. Minus times plus, minus h squared. Do you see the minus disturbing everyone? So you have to be careful. Do step by step. Aloysius, tell me the final answer. 8g combined with who? Minus 4g. So take out your pencil now. 8g minus 4g plus gh minus h squared. So my final answer is 4g squared, right? 8 minus 4. 4. Plus gh can combine? No, remain. H square can combine? No. I look at the answer, only the last one is correct. That means some of you got the second one, which is wrong. Why minus 4gh? You forgot to expand. Some of you got the first one. I don't know why. Why 60? So wrong. So you understand why the third one is correct? Everyone good? You by going through this way, you really understand? Can Tonight I will pose one more question in classroom. You all go and try, okay? Can entertain me? Can D. D. Let's have some answers. Li Fei. Li Fei will tell us the answer. Ifa, what's your answer? Negative 11b squared. P. Minus 11 papaya squared, then plus 2 plus 20 PQ plus 3Q squared. Okay, Nabila, what's your answer? 11p square plus 20pq plus 3q square. Anyone else got different answer? Li Pei, what's your answer? Everyone, your answer fall under the 3? No, there are some other different answer. Last 5 minutes, can I quickly do the working and let you see? Can? Can, Show me your paper. I want to copy the question. Okay. You notice that one question I got 4, 5 different answers and only one is correct. Maybe the 3 on the board is wrong and you really want to know how to every time hit the bullseye, get the correct answer. First step, you need to know there's a trap. Where is the trap here? Is this minus that is outside the bracket? So everyone take out the red pen and do the square bracket. Then you need to know the sequence. So everyone understand the sequence, you won't do wrong. Alright? So Jiaming, pay attention. Everyone pay attention. For the last 5 minutes, 3 minutes, let's do together. Now what is the first thing you do is, there.